learning from my old artwork and putting in some more patience and courage from inside, and the lovely comments you shared and the acceptance you gave, I started again with the old sheet. So, guys, welcome back to Nancy Artwork. Let's begin this journey of transforming a waste sheet into a beautiful composition. Let's begin. I started by placing few drops of red crimson color onto my sheet and started blowing them a little. With a very fresh mind, I didn't had any composition in mind. I only wanted to play with some patience, which I didn't do in the last artwork. Added another drop of blue and tried to mix it with a blue. With the thought of introducing more colors, I added some alcohol to my sheet. This actually produced some of the beautiful cells which I started liking. Slowly and slowly, my mind got into a relaxed mode and I thought of some of the compositions I can drive out from this artwork. Adding some more drops of alcohol and some patches of mixing the colors from blue to red side and red to blue side, adding some sprays of alcohol actually gave me some of the composition idea. First, I thought of creating some of these alcohol inks into some texture of a sea underground where I can find some beautiful jellyfishes. So I started producing these rays out of this composition where I thought this will become my jellyfish composition, but certainly I thought that I can transform this into something very unique and this will give me a lot of positivity as well, and a new idea of the composition dropped into my head of creating a ray of hope into dark. And as you know, alcohol inks are very forgiving. I started again by swiping with the brush strokes of blue color and covering the whole sheet with a massive dark effect on the outer side. Now I added some red drop into the center to do its magic. Slowly and slowly this red color started merging with all the blue waters and started creating this beautiful ripple. I picked my alcohol brush and started introducing it on all the corners to swipe off some colors from the center to give it some stroke length where it can look like a wand. I repeated the same step across the circumference of the circle to give it a look of a wand where the light is glowing on. Later, when I was a little happy with the composition, I wanted to have some more smaller droplets to give that effect of a glow into a galaxy kind of feel. I sprayed some alcohol ink from far. I was quite happy the composition came along, and then I added a drop of a silver into the center of this glowing wand where it could feel like what was the origin of this whole fire. So this was it for today's artwork. I hope you would have enjoyed watching the tutorial, as well as I have enjoyed transforming this waste sheet into this beautiful artwork. And if you have not subscribed me, well, please stay tuned for more artworks like these. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I launch a new video, you are always notified. Thank you.